Welcome to my tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm gonna teach you how to download Visual Studio, to set up Visual Studio, and to start using Visual Studio for whatever you want to use it for. So first thing we need to do is to go to the Visual Studio website and download the current version of Visual Studio, which is Visual Studio 2019. But we are going to download the community edition. So just go to Visual Studio and go to the community edition, and you can download the community edition. The community editions is okay. Let me show you for once. So when you are on the site, which is www.visualstudio.microsoft.com/vs, you see a button like download Visual Studio. So when you come over the buttons, you will see like community editions 2019 and enterprise edition 2019 and professional edition 2019. So we are going to download the community edition. The community edition is for students, for learning things, and if you are going for a commercial stuff, then you are going for professional editions or enterprise. The difference is that in professional and enterprise editions, you may have additional features which are professionals. So we are going to download this community edition. Actually, we are downloading the installer of Visual Studio. That is Visual Studio 2019 Community Edition installer. So after you click the Community Edition download, then to start downloading, then after clicking the Community Editions, it will take you to this other site, and your Visual Studio will start downloading already. So okay, so after downloading, you just need to open the installer, that is run the installer. After running the installer will ask you to click continue. Then just click continue, and it will download some files. It will be download some files just like this. So the installer will just fetch your files, and it will start downloading the primary files you need before you can download any other package of Visual Studio which you need. So the installation will be done in a few minutes, and okay, so let's wait for it. Okay, so you're almost done getting everything ready. So the installer is getting everything ready, and we are good to go. So we have downloaded the files, and we have installed the files we need. So everything is ready. Okay, so after the installer download the primary files you need, this window will pop up, this window, and it will be saying getting things ready. So the Visual Studio installer now is getting things ready. The package you want to download. And so what I'm going for here, I'm going for the mobile development with C++. So I'm gonna download that package. So if you're going for any other package like mobile development with JavaScript and PC development and other stuff, you can download the package you need. So but for now, I'm going for C++, which is mobile development with C++, Visual C++. So I'm gonna wait for this to get. Okay, so yeah, after everything is ready, now this window will pop up, and from here you can see we are having some package here, some components and package that we can download if you're going for Azure development with Azure SDK tools and projects for developing cloud apps and creating resource and building containers, including etc. You can go for Azure. You just, there's a tick box here that you can just tick here, which means you are going for that. So another things like Python development, like a web development and other stuff. So whatever you want. You can also desktop development with C++, build Windows desktop application using Microsoft. And I'm not going for that. I'm just, yeah. But this is what I want to go for, which is build cross-platform application for iOS, Android, and Microsoft using C++, which is mobile development with C++. So I'm gonna tick that. That's what I want to tick. So the installer will, for the mobile development with C++, the installer will install C++ core features, Android SDK setup, and other stuff. So you just can tick whatever you want from here. Tick them. I'm gonna tick Android SDK, C++ development, build iOS development. So the total space required will be very high. So the total space required for all what I tick is 26.57 gigabytes for mobile development, and I choose the options I need to download. So you can choose some options that you can download. Let's say you can download the ones you didn't tick. So but for now I'm gonna go for this, and so click install. So we are going to install what we need. So thank you for choosing Visual Studio. While Visual Studio is installing, we would like to ask you a few questions so we can improve the quality of our product. This survey will open in your default web browser. Don't show this again, take a survey. So now let's see what's going on here. So our installation will start soon, very soon. Just verifying, and okay, the installation is starting. Depending on your internet connection, your download will take longer or will just take a few minutes. So let me say with my own internet connection, I would guess that it will take like 30 minutes. So I'm gonna make some magic here, but actually it does depend on your features. It depends on your internet connection. Okay, so let me go and take the survey here. So yeah, okay, so we are waiting for this to complete, the download to complete. So the download is already starting. You can see from here, you can see the counting, 14 MB of 4.15 gigabytes. Oh, that's a lot. So installing packages and start installation. So so we can